Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to create a tight elastic knit and an edging using the I-cord technique. The texture of the fabric is similar to the popular 2x2 rib stitch but with a tighter structure. These two stitches are knitted on the one side only. The dividing stitch is knitted equally on both sides, making the process simpler and improving the quality of the finished product. I'll also show you how to create a beautiful edge using the I-cord technique. Start by casting on a multiple of 3 stitches and add 6 I-cord loops, 3 on each side. The first row is on the wrong side. Slip the 3 I-cord stitches first with the thread in front. Then knit the divider loop and slip 2 loops with the thread in front. Again, knit the divider loop and slip 2 loops with the thread in front. Repeat knitting according to this scheme until you have 3 loops left. Then slip the 3 I-cord stitches with thread in front. The second row is on the right side. Knit the 3 I-cord stitches first. Then knit all stitches until you have 3 loops left. Then knit the 3 I-cord stitches. With these 2 easy-to-make rows, we achieve a tight and well side-edged rib stitch. This video will help knit a cardigan. The fabric is tight in both directions, and the wrong side looks neat. The I-cord fits perfectly into the relief and the texture and looks like an integral part of it. The inclusion of slipped stitches always gives the knit resistance against loosening. I hope you find this knitting pattern useful for your future projects. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.